点这个的圈吧。我是贤乐，帮我们订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛。
这边是海石洞，这边非常的不好爬。
沿着珊瑚礁岩爬下来，要注意安全哦。过来海石洞，你可以导航海角咖啡。到了停车场后，往栏杆的方向往下走就到了。在这边全都是由珊瑚礁组成的，所以下来的时候一定要非常小心。如果不小心滑倒是会很严重的。
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion.
在这附近的沙滩，都是像这样黑到发亮的沙。天气好的时候，浪花打上来，可以直接倒映出美景。由于以前这里都是军事用地，现在逐渐的开放后，也保有柴山最原始的生态。
寿山的秘境之一，但是现在已经非常的多人知道这里了，已经不再是秘境了。不过这边真的是非常的漂亮，有来高雄的绝对不能错过这么美丽的景点哦。有没有像海边的丛林的感觉？这边还有一棵这种小树。这边就是海石洞了，大家看一下这个无敌美景，实在是太漂亮了。后面还有很多人在排队，要赶快回去了。
我们现在要前往另一个秘境海滩去看夕阳。这边的路也是有点陡峭，一定要小心哦。
这边就是寿山的另外一个秘境海滩了。从这边往下走，可以一路走到了海石洞去。那我们今天的秘境之旅已经结束了，这个美丽的夕阳做个 ending 吧。
喜欢我们频道的朋友，麻烦帮我们按赞、订阅、加分享，以及开启小铃铛，日后会有更多有趣好玩的影片跟大家分享哦。
Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.